Introduction. There is one almost overwhelming amount of information with regard to how to succeed in the world of online business. Unfortunately, you have a finite resource and must manage your business and efficiency of possible, which is where you should focus your strategy on the model that work. Every business model will have distinct advantage and disadvantage. But remember to choose business model that suited your lifestyle and your personality. It is going to take a while to pay off, and the initial choice of business is critical. Below are 5 of better online model to use when creating your new business. Business model 1. Blogging. Blogging is possible one of the oldest online marketing method. It is also one of the best has stood a test mind of reason. The blogging model is very straightforward. Simple, find something you are passionate about the blog about it is very day. Many people are saying that the day of starting a blog and making money are over as it has become too competitive. But this is just not the case. The vast majority of people give after a few months and they stop posting and consistently eventually they just stop altogether. To be successful at blogging, it is necessary that you post every day and don't give up. This is the only way forward if you are passionate about your blog and post consistently, then you will make money. For this reason, it is important to really commit it before starting a blog. It is equally important to make sure you are passionate about the topic and that you can write about it very day until it pay off. Once you have larger amount of traffic, there are a wide variety of monetization method. You can insert affiliate links to page or product. You could also have sponsor advertisement on your blog page. While it can be difficult to keep blogging for your year or so with nothing to show it, in the end, you have a site that make money without actually of shopping the product itself. Blogging is a slow method, but it definitely works. Once you have made it a together site, then it requires little maintenance. You can even train a high quality of the traffic. Freelancer reflect work while desire and benefit of the traffic. At this stage, you can also syndicate content on your site and future guest post. Even if you don't have a blog as a full-time source of income, it is still a good idea to have business blog post. It is useful for generating discussing and for more some extra link. Keep in mind that you will also need to promote your blog, the build it and they will come. Approach does not work the blogging you can be writing the best material but if it is not promote nobody will know about it. Business model number 2. YouTube. YouTube is a great way to reach a audience. Most of the newer generation prefer video as compared to writing on content. While this applies to your wider population, it is specially applied to millennials and those of Generation Z. People typically born between 1995 2005. Within the proliferation of video games, consoles, and core kind of device, YouTube and other video platforms are increasing in prominence. They are usually easily interact into such device. Video content also result in the increased sales and comparison to write content, which is another great reason to use the platform. A video is far more effective than a blog post and is much easier to digest for a modern audience. Consider that time is the most valuable commodity and a video can get your message across far quicker. People may not even bother with the long blog post. YouTube can be exclusive business model or something that you can side promote your business. If YouTube is to be exclusive, then it can be similar to blogging. Identify yourself as a subject matter expert by releasing video and you will gain subscriber over time. You can then monetize your video. The difference is that while blogging might take a while, with YouTube you can build up a following very quickly. Additionally, YouTube channel will most often contain a link to the business page. This will result in increased site visit and help with SEO. YouTube is now home influencer market who have tens of thousands of followers. They are paid well by company to the market to their followers and it is now an industry in itself. If you happen to be knowledgeable about the particular industry and are also good with video, then YouTube marketing could be incredibly profitable right now. It's free, quick and upload has a huge audience and people love video more than other kind of content. As there are over 1.5 billion active users on YouTube and audience in massive. While over 90% of business now have their one Facebook page, less than 10% have their one YouTube channel. This means that companies who engage in YouTube marketing may have a competitive advantage as it is an underutilized tools. Business model number 3, physically product and Amazon FBA. While Amazon FBA is often marketing inaccurately as a get rich quick scheme, it can be very lucrative if it is used correctly. Amazon FBA fulfilled by Amazon is simply the sale of product using Amazon world-class delivery system. Here is how it works. 1. Ship your product to Amazon. 2. List your product on Amazon. 3. Customer place or another through Amazon. 4. Amazon handle delivery, storage and even customer support. Amazon does take a sizable chunk of your earning. Moreover, it can be difficult to stabilize your brand when it is listed on Amazon. However, they are handling the delivery, product listing, storage, and customer support. It is still a remarkable effective business model that can take a lot of stress out of in the entire process. Another way to sell physical product is to use drop shipping. This is where you process the order on your website but the distributor is responsible for the delivery of the product. The main advantage of this that you don't have to keep stock of any inventory. You just promote and sell that product, acting as a middleman. Additionally, the distributor delivery the product with your brand and logo on it. So you can stable up reputation. You only pay for the product when a customer has placed an another on the site. That difficult of the model is that the profit margin is a very low, and managing customer control can be very difficult as you do not have control over the process. This is a good option for those who do not have extensive fund and who have the long time of growth their business. Another avenue to sell physically product online is to use a third party logistic company. 3PL. In this case, you will typically ship your product to the 3PL company who takes care of delivery, and sometimes customer support their customer place the order on your website. Profit margin through this method are far higher than with typical drop shipping. The main disadvantage is that you have purchased the goods up front. Business model number 4, an online course. If you happen to be subject matter expert in some area, then you could also consider creating your one score of selling it one online educational site such as Academy. It is possible to earn a significant figure using the method, but it will also require significant marketing and promotion on your part. Typically, course creator will have some authority before they launch their course, and they can then market to it from stable source. If you have successful ebook, then you can also consider turning into a online course, depending on how the deep the ebook happening to be. Online course are one of the most profitable kind of business model there is, with people buying source of soon as they go live. The fact that third level fee are now extremely cost prohibitive means that there is a definite gap in the marketing this kind of source. People are looking at alternative means of education, and online source are far cheaper. A key of point to bear in mind is that online source require far more work than the commonly believed. As a rule of thumb, it takes about 5 and 10 hours of work every hour of source marketing, where all fact must be double checked. After you have created your course, you will then need to do the job of promoting it, which can take up more time than a create of the source itself. Here is basic template of what do you in term in of marketing a good online source. 1. Pick your topic. Make sure it is something that you love to talk about. 2. Make sure that there is a need for this topic. Remember, even if there is strong marketing demand, you can definitely between other course. 3. Decide on where you are going to sell your course. 4. Clear define the course learning outcomes. Students like to know what the course will give them. This is a very important step. 5. Select and gather the content. Don't delay as the can take long time. Just do it. 6. Structure and content so it is easily digested by student. 7. Pursued your online source video is the most effective delivery method. Business model number 5, freelancing. There has been the massive increase in the freelance economy. Marketing is easier than ever to hire a freelance or put yourself up for hire. However, if you are consider working as the freelance, it is not really a straight path up to freedom. This typically leans of hiring freelance to do the work for you opposed to doing the work yourself. The difference is mentality between an employee and an entrepreneur is quite significant. At best, you will be extremely well paid employee and it can take a long time to get good rating on various freelance sites. But it is entirely possible to hire freelance to complete job that you do not like to do. In order to be successful, it is necessary to leverage the skill of other people as much possible. And the most efficient way to do this through freelance platform. There are freelance with a huge range of skill for all kind of budget. You can hire them on short term contract. You can don't need to manage full time employees, virtual assistants can be invaluable in terms of completely basic tech for very competitive rate. The biggest freelance site in the world is Know of Work. There are number of stable and new freelance for hire. The benefit is that you can choose a freelance that specialize in the tasks of your need to get done. Whether it is search engine optimization or application development, you can run an entire business using freelance which has incredible amount of benefit. For example, there are writing company who focus exclusively on sales and marketing. They get the work and have near infinite work full of freelancers who they hire on a weekly basis. They are consistently hiring on off work. The owner of those companies do not have to worry about insurance or payroll or training of the freelance. It is an amazing business model that is replicated not just in the content industry but in software support and a number of other sectors. All things considered, freelance just makes the world more efficient for everybody. Ultimately, if you want to stay ahead, you will need a higher freelance to get the job done. Along with making use of the many automation tools that have come onto the market, the advantage of both have become too big to ignore. Freelance and automation tools are invaluable assistant your online success.